Okay, so right now, in order to create a blog page, I need you to go to the dashboard. First of all, this is the first thing you need to do. Then scroll down here to the bottom, click on Settings, click on Reading, and over here, Posts page, make sure it points out to the blog. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. So now the home page points to Home, and the blog page points to the blog page. Now, I want to go here and visit the website from here. So just visit the website, click on the blog page, and right now you'll see that your blogs are displayed on the blog page. It looks pretty good, not that bad, except for it needs just a little bit of modifications here, since we don't have a sidebar, and a blog page needs to have a sidebar. So make sure that you stay on the blog page and click over here on Customize to access the customizer. Now, of course, here you notice that we have that Take Action button at the right. I forgot to eliminate that at the beginning, so let me go ahead and eliminate it first. I'm going to click on Header Builder. And here on Header Builder, we have this button. Just click on the X and it will be deleted. Click Publish now. And our website loads better. Now go out of the Header Builder and then here click on Blog. Click on Blog and Archive. Now the container layout, make sure that you select this one, boxed. Scroll down and click on Right Sidebar. And so now what's going to happen is a right sidebar is going to show over here. Now to edit this sidebar, you can either click on individual elements, click on the sidebar and edit it from here, or you can go to the dashboard and edit it from the dashboard. I highly recommend you to go to the dashboard so that you can have more freedom. And that's exactly what I'm going to do over here. So I'm going to go to another page. I'm going to go out of this page to the WordPress dashboard. And let me show you how you can modify these widgets. Because over here you can see that you can see recent comments, categories, recent posts, archives, meta, and most of that stuff we don't really need, right? We need to make it extremely simple. And I'm also going to show you how you can add advertisement on your sidebar. Because we need a way to monetize our website, okay? And so you need to do that. And so let me go over here to the WordPress dashboard. Let me click W. So here I am on the WordPress dashboard. Hover over Appearance and click on Widgets. Now this is how widgets are looking. This is for the Astra theme. And you can notice here that we have recent posts, recent comments. Everything that you see over here is in here. So you can delete some stuff. So here I'm going to click on recent comments. I'm going to click over here, remove. I'm going to click over here, remove as well. I'm going to click on the archives, remove archives. I'm going to click. So I'm going to just basically delete all of the stuff that I don't need. Let me click on categories here, remove heading. Click over here, remove group. Click, remove. So I'm just going to remove, like I said, the stuff I don't need. This one here also is not necessary. Remove. Now we have the search bar at the top. There is no reason for us to have it here as well. Let me just go ahead and remove that since we don't need it. We don't need it to appear twice. Remove legacy widget. Recent posts, we already have this, so we don't want to use it twice. So I'm going to remove. Now if I click here, how many posts are they showing? I think they're showing 5, so I'll leave it at that. Let me click on recent comments, remove legacy widget. Click on the archives widget, remove it as well. Categories widget, let me also remove it. And the meta widget, let me go ahead and also remove this widget. So now I have removed all of these widgets. I only left this one here and the recent posts. So I'm going to click the plus button. And I want you to look for custom HTML because I want to add an advertisement. I'm going to go to App Impact and I'm going to go and get one of my ads. So on App Impact, I'm actually an affiliate and I place these ads on my website. So I just, because I have a website, I apply for many affiliate programs and they give me access to their ads. So for instance here, they gave me access to all of these banner ads, which I can incorporate on my website. And by the way, when it comes to hosting providers, for example, Bluehost, will pay you up to $65 for every person that you refer to their website and if that person makes a purchase. During 30 days, if that person makes a purchase by clicking on or after clicking on your link, you'll make $65 in commission. As a matter of fact, I have just received the $65 commission unexpectedly today from Bluehost, and it must be from one of my websites. Now, if I click on add code, I can scroll down over here, I can copy code, and I can come back here to customize not the blog, but here, and I can paste my HTML. So if I paste my HTML, nothing happens here, but if you click on preview, notice right now that the ad was pasted, except for the problem with HTML codes is that you can't quite center this and you can't resize it, okay? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this, and instead of adding it as an HTML code, I'm going to add an image because I can center an image. I can center it. And I can go here to App Impact. I have the image, I can download it. And I can come back here to my website or to the widgets. I can upload this image that I have now downloaded. Sorry for that noise, by the way. That was the computer noise. And I can paste my image now. So now the image is there. The beautiful part about these images is that you can make them as big as you want. Right? So I can make it bigger like this, and I can make sure it is centered. So I can go here, align center, make it bigger like this, and I can add a link. So I can click here on the link, because if you add an image without a link, then how can people click on the link and purchase? I'm going to go to my tracking link. So this is my affiliate link that they give me. I'm going to click on it, come back over here and paste it. Then click like this. And of course, let me edit this because I want the link to be opened in a new tab. So I'm going to click open in a new tab and click. So now I can just close. Well, let me add the link back, click, and I can click over here or out. So now this has the link. So if people click and make a purchase, I make a commission. Now I need to scroll down here and I need to add a social share icon. So let me click the plus button over here. Let me look for social snap share, add it there, make sure it's centered, and drag it to the top by clicking here under the search bar. Now if I click on update, this is now my sidebar. So if I go to the customizer and if I click on update, just update, you'll notice that this is going to change a little bit. And I can even show you in the next lecture how to integrate advertisements inside of your blog post so that you can be profitable from them. Now over here, this is my blog page. You can see that because I didn't publish the changes, nothing happened. So I'm going to go to blog archive. I'm just going to do the same stuff again, boxed, right sidebar. But now you'll notice that my sidebar will appear with this ad, of course, over here that people can click on. And like I said, if they click and make a purchase, I make a commission. Now let me scroll down over here. I'm just going to remove these things. So comments, category, author, remove that. Featured image, title, and meta, just leave it. Content width, default. Okay, and if I go to the top and click on design here, you can control the post title font size. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to go out, click on single post. But first, let me click on one of these single posts to go inside it. And if I go inside a single post, you can see that there is no sidebar over here. Now, because we want to maximize our ad revenue, we need to show the sidebar since it contains an ad. So I'm going to go over here to blog, single post this time, boxed, and add the sidebar. And so when I add the sidebar, the advertisement will be added as well, right? You can see it there. So if I click on publish, this is good. But if I scroll to the bottom, you can see that people can leave comments, and that's all good. But the issue with this is that there is no related posts, so people can't see what other related posts. So I'll just scroll down from where I am and click on enable related posts. Over here, grid column layout, I'll leave it at 2, like this. I do not want to show comments, category, and author for related posts. Now, I don't want to enable posts excerpt. And I want to show at least 4 related posts back there. So I'm going to change this to 4. And now they're going to show 4 related posts. And that's it. So now we have our blog post page ready. Let me click on publish. And in the next lecture, I was going to say next episode, but in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how you can incorporate advertisements inside of your blog post using Gutenberg.